Management for Reducing Water Pollution by Larson. Fresh water is becoming more and more scarce every day on Earth. Water pollution is a major contributor to an increase in harmful contaminants in freshwater sources. Educational and management reform is needed in order to decrease the amount of water pollution being dumped in the freshwater reserves. Businesses can reduce their input of pollution into fresh water by identifying themselves as a contributor and establishing strict regulations and rules to further reduce it. Leading industries of water pollution. Agriculture and other similar companies such as mining companies are two of the leading industries that cause the most pollution. These types of industries are causing water pollution to increase in freshwater areas all around the world. Disrupting the quality of water is leading to several issues for ecosystems and other freshwater related aspects. Agricultural runoff is leading to a decrease in freshwater reserves. Although growing crops is an essential tactic for food resources, the ways in which farmers produce their crops is leading to runoff into freshwater areas. Rivers, streams, and oceans are all heavily impacted from agricultural runoff. Mining companies are a leading industry that causes non-point source water pollution. Abandoned mine drainage into freshwater reserves are negatively impacting the limited water that Earth has. Unsafe practices and non-regular cleanup performed by mining industries are some of the major issues of mining companies. Business management is needed in order to recognize these serious issues and for reform to be put in place within these industries. Proper business management. Water's overall quality can help be improved if the certain industries that are causing high levels of water pollution actually do something to fix it. Business management needs to be enforced and expand their practices for reducing water pollution from the goods they produce. Management within these industries can keep track of the amount of water they produce. They need to monitor it in order to be able to successfully reduce their overall amount. Business management can seek to reduce any of their products that cause high levels of water pollution. Management should actively require themselves to clean up any current or future pollutions that are created by themselves and others. Design programs need to be put into place to make all these solutions successful. Comprehensive environmental management systems will be morally accepted by the public as a means to reduce water pollution and will set regulations and rules on the business on their own terms. Any of these water pollution control programs can be based off of the already made federal laws in order to avoid any legal trouble with the government. Water's quality will greatly improve if the industries causing high levels of water pollution are identified and they properly manage a reliable system for reducing their pollution input.